Here we come to the elevators at Reed Arena at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are Dover Impulse. Gosh, how many Dover Impulses are there? I tell you, College Station is Dover rated. So what I usually do is I basically take a round trip on each of the elevators here. Now, usually when I do going up and back down is I want to slowly, quietly listen to the motor as much as we can, even though the fan in the elevator cab is on. So I don't know how well we're able to hear. 3. Unfortunately, we're not able to hear the motor because of the fan. Now, usually what I do is when I get back downstairs, I like to switch to the other elevator car on the right,
Gotcha.
next to us.
Gotcha. Let me just get a quick update on Ryan, make sure it's cool.
The light is burned out on LL, but here's your phone. I've been dying to see this elevator for so long, and I'm so glad it's still original.
God bless Ryan.
You don't mind being on camera and on YouTube? I got a couple friends riding today. Please note, we are here for Breakaway, so this building is not entirely open to the public, so please do not trespass unless you are here for a reason. All right, now this is where I get the other elevator car. Hopefully, the fan is not as loud. Wait for the door to close first. Finally, finally I get to film this. The fan is not as loud on this one. Let's see how well we're able to hear the motor on this. It's got a submersible pump unit. Yeah, unfortunately, we're not able to hear the motor well, but these are your fixtures. They're Dover Impulse from 1998. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end at 1 this time. Here's your phone. Look at this right here. I got my very own elevator enthusiast ribbon. Thank you so much to Vassal Elevator in Florida. I got this from the NAEC convention a couple weeks ago. Anyways, there's your cab view, and I also forgot to show this. Wave again. Okay, well anyways, that was quite a ride. All right, so this is where we watch the door close. Thank you all so much for joining the ride with me. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.